In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a voice channel private in Discord. By the end, you'll have a channel that only selected people can see and join, which is perfect for team meetings, study groups, or any space that needs a little privacy. Start by finding the voice channel you want to lock down in your server's channel list. Right-click that voice channel to open its options. From the menu that appears, choose Edit Channel. It's the one with the little gear icon. This opens the settings window for that specific voice channel where you can control exactly who can see and connect to it. In the channel settings, go to the Permissions tab. This is where Discord manages access using roles and individual members. At the top, you'll see Roles/Members. Start by selecting Add Everyone. This represents all members of your server by default. We're going to set a baseline that blocks general access, and then we'll make exceptions for the people or roles who should be allowed in. With Everyone selected, look for the View channel and connect permissions. View channel controls whether people can see the channel in the list, and Connect determines whether they can join the voice chat. Next to both of these, click the red X to explicitly deny those permissions. This ensures that, by default, no one in the server can see or connect to this voice channel. Don't worry, we're about to allow access for the right people. Now, click the plus icon next to Roles Members. Add the specific roles or individual members who should have access. If your server already organizes people with roles, like moderators, team leads, or verified members, start with those. You can also add individual users if you want to keep it very selective. For each role or person you add, turn on View Channel and Connect by clicking the green check. This gives them permission to see the channel and join the voice chat. If you only enable View Channel, they'll see the channel but won't be able to enter it, so make sure both are enabled for those who need access. When you're finished adding the allowed roles and members, click Save Changes at the bottom. Your updates won't apply until you confirm them. After you save, only the people and roles you approved will see the voice channel in the list, and only they will be able to connect. That's it. Your private voice channel is ready.